Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call back Sandy Home Recipe. Today can I will share my video. Remember room to subscribe. Now I share. We see homemade all-purpose season. Yes, start. We tomatoes. We twitwa. We cedar, ginger, garlic, bell pepper, spring onion. Mbakwa twitwa ni nyina ba make sure say we ho ansa na twitwa. Twitwa tomatoes na wie no akwahye wo tray so na de aka no so wahye wo tray so. We na da kwahye oven no mu kakra se de be ye mre. We are se na de ebeye. Na we de akogu food hydration de be dry no anase wo betimi de agu o tray so na we de si awiem. Ba se wo de net kata so se de hansa be e de enko so. Ba onye ne sa no betimi aye se ameye mede no so. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. We are not set time. We're setting it for 10 hours. After 10 hours, no be say in soon a day. A tree a day, every mo. Aha no aye ready. No we go adiemu. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Why ni we no? Now the spices kakra ne aka ho. Me use nutmeg, rosemary, anise, cloves, black pepper, nutmeg. Now the aka wo mixture na esi wo deda no. Uwie a na wa blend it in na together. If my choose need can I will share my video a. Na ma ring to subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like it. No need notification bell no. Send the video bia beto wa inside the ebeka. O blend we na dey see in chair. No wa blend dey aka na ko zita ni nyina eden epesa. We are now the salt aka ho. Wa mix ni nyina together. Na wa store den o bottle mu. Make my choice need can I will share my video. Remember to subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like it. No me notification bell no. Send me the video bia beto wa on side ebeka. Nti we ye for ye enkwan bibia betimi ayusu. Now this our homemade all-purpose season. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.